Today's topic for discussion is features of living things. Let us see all the features of living things. In living things, protoplasm is present. All living objects that contain protoplasm, and protoplasm is the physical basis of life and performs all vital functions. And next characteristics of living thing, it is all living objects follow a definite life cycle that consists of birth, growth, reproduction, old age and death. Okay. Next feature of the living thing is that a living body composed of regular cells and is well organized in form and size, both externally and internally. This is a characteristic feature of living thing. And one more characteristics of living thing is respiration. Respiration occurs in all living forms. Respiration is a very complex vital process resulting in the breakdown of food with the release of CO2, carbon dioxide, and a considerable amount of energy at all times and at all temperatures. This is the characteristic feature. Next. Metabolism occurs in all living forms. Metabolic changes are a characteristic sign of life. The metabolic changes, it may be constructive or destructive, but that occurs in living organisms. Another feature of living thing is that nutrition. Nutrition through food is a regular feature in all living organisms. Next feature of living thing is reproduction. Reproduction. All the living objects reproduce periodically by one or more methods for continuation of the species. Okay. Next feature of living thing is that growth. Growth occurs only in living things, and growth in living object is internal. That is, it proceeds from within the cell as a result of metabolic changes. And another feature of living thing is that movement. Movement, spontaneous movement is a characteristic sign of life. Either movement of protoplasm or of an entire organism or some part of the organism. This is also a characteristic feature of living things.